Hi everybody. In the last lesson we have learned some common greetings in Spanish, and today we are going to learn how to make apologies or how to say apology word. Let's start with the first word, the very basic word which we use in our day-to-day life. And the first word is excuse me. Correct? Excuse me is quite a common word which we use regularly, right? So in Spanish, excuse me means disculpe. Disculpe. Correct? Excuse me. Disculpe. Let's make it more clear by making one sentence. Clear? Excuse me. A coffee, please. Now we have to translate in Spanish. Disculpe, un café por favor. Disculpe, un café por favor. Clear? So, another word to say excuse me is perdón. Perdón. I hope you are getting very nicely. So, next word we will learn I am sorry. How to say I'm sorry, okay, in the next lesson. Till then, adios and thank you so much for joining my lesson.